Hi, I'm Noelle.
And I'm Jim.
Welcome to Cruiseology.
So we kicked off this channel back in 2019 in order to provide content about cruising and tips and tricks. And then, as much of you know, the industry shut down because of COVID-19. So we were pretty much on pause, as it were. And of course, as many people, we weren't even sure we were going to be able to return back. But most thankfully, we were given an opportunity to get back on a ship, which was amazing. And so after a year and a half, almost 2 full years of not being able to cruise and make content, we're able to get back on a ship and to be able to produce videos for you.
So we usually talk about cruising with our 4 kids, but this time we're not going to do that because we got to take our 15-year anniversary cruise a year and a half late, which ended up being a blessing in disguise. And it was the best cruise we have ever been on in our entire lives.
Yeah, why?
Why? Okay, well, let me tell you why, Jim. Nobody was on the ship. It was at like 30% capacity. It was right before Omicron hit. We had $2,000 in onboard credit that we got to spend, so we got to live like the other half for a week and do whatever we wanted.
It was amazing. And, you know, we're all looking for ways to see how the terrible nature of what COVID has done to our country and other countries, pretty much every man and woman. But, you know, these are the kinds of ways that we were blessed, even though there were a lot of challenging times that we've been through.
So come with us while we show you what it looks like to go on a cruise in the middle of a pandemic on the Harmony of the Seas.
2021, December.
Got up from our hotel that morning, got in the car with our friends, and headed to Port Canaveral to get on board the beautiful Harmony of the Seas with Royal Caribbean.
So, getting on the ship. So, we're waiting because we got here just a pinch early. And so you don't want to show up too early because they won't let you on unless it's during the window that they've scheduled you to be on.
Yep.
So we got our masks on. I'd say probably about, what, half the people? Mostly everybody's masking, at least into the terminal. So we'll see what it's like when they get inside. But all in all, pretty stoked about it.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go!
it?
Yes.
So how was that process?
The royal comeback. It was easy, super quick. They're on top of it. I like the staggering actually because we're not waiting in line for like 30 minutes. So it's awesome. Very happy.
So what all did we have to do?
When we first got in, they asked for our negative tests and our vaccination cards. And we went in and we went through putting our suitcases and everything through, getting checked. Jim had to take his out because he had so much camera equipment in there. And then we had to go upstairs, show our negative tests again and our vaccination cards again, and then we were given these little handy bracelets that show we are fully vaccinated. Then they checked us in just standing right there. We showed our boarding pass on our phone, so now that's all we have to do is scan it up there and get on the ship and eat all the food and drink all the drinks.
We're in the room, haven't even unloaded yet. We're not even unpacked yet, but here we are.
You're very excited.
Very excited. Take a look at this room here. The view's not quite exciting yet, because we're still here at Port in Florida. Some art, very nice. It's actually a pretty spacious couch. I like the little lounge corner there.
Yeah, same. Oh my gosh, we got some cute water bottles and towels.
Some water bottles that we ordered.
No, who was it from? It says special delivery. To Noelle from Cruiseology. Happy birthday and belated anniversary. That's so thoughtful.
Wow, how did Cruiseology know?
I don't know.
Wow, we only just met them 2 years ago. So, plenty of shelves. And I believe this is your, yep, this is the mini bar. There's nothing in it right now, but the nice thing is you can store some waters or anything else that you pick up. You can store in here. Got your power. Hey, look at that handsome devil. Ah!
The masks.
Yeah, good. Hey,
Put your mask on your face.
now nobody has an excuse, even though they wouldn't have been able to get on board without it.
True. They've been very good about like, put your mask on. Like,
Very
thank
nice
you.
TV. Across from the bed, so you can watch a movie, chill, hang out. There is a standard American plug to the right of the bed. Got cabinets or closet space here to the side of the bed. Wow, that's pretty big actually. Then you'll see we also have, here's your safe. And another set of cabinets. I really like this art over the bed. I was a little freaked out for a second because I thought something was on the mural, and it was a dragonfly. I was like, what is that?
Oh, yeah.
Like, go ahead and drop this thermostat down to cooler, because let's just be honest, that's how life needs to be. Alright, in the bathrooms, there he is again, sets of towels. There's usually plenty of towels when you get in, toiletries. Plenty of space to put your items, and I believe that is a conversion or an American outlet up there. And then the shower. It's a nice capsule tub with a clear glass. Some of the other ships that I've been on, they have kind of a translucent glass, but this is nice and clear. Oh, it's a door. Some of the other
Oh wow, there's an actual door.
yeah, some of the other ships, it slides open and shut like a capsule, but this has an actual door, so that's nice. And if you've watched any tours of Royal Caribbean ships, they often have some toiletries for you. Or not toiletries, I'm just saying that word a lot. Hair and body wash. Just in case you forget some, they've got you covered, because hey, let's just say Royal Caribbean. That's what they do.